Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to configure real user monitoring for Salesforce using Germain UX. Okay, let's start. First, connect to your Germain UX instance and navigate to wizards. Here, let's search for Salesforce. Okay, we have three options. First, Salesforce application monitoring. This one allows to monitor your Salesforce performance using our Germain UX engine. Second option is to monitor Experience Cloud website. And the third option that we're going to look at today is monitoring of classic and lightning UX. All right, let's click add. Here, let's add the name of our Salesforce application. Let's call it Salesforce Test. And let's provide the URL of the Salesforce instance that we are going to monitor. In this example, we're going against test.salesforce.com. Click finish. Okay, at this point, Germain UX has been successfully configured. However, there's a very important step to be done next, which is to deploy and configure Germain UX extension. All the steps are described in our documentation, so let's just go. But this documentation describes all the requirements, deployment steps, and configuration required to deploy Germain UX and real user monitoring for Salesforce for one user or for many users. In this case, we will look how to install the extension locally. Let's just go there. First, let's download our extension. Go to Web Store, click Add to Chrome, and click Add Extension. All right, extension has been installed in my local browser. I can now click on it. There are a few more steps to be done at this point. First, we have to provide Germain UX URL. This is the URL of your Germain instance. We can just take it from here, go back to the extension. All right, save. Next step is to add the website that we want to monitor. We said we're going to monitor test.salesforce.com. Let's provide it. Let's call our application Salesforce Test. Let's use our UX default profile for Salesforce, which is called Salesforce. Click Save. All right, at this point, the Germain UX has been configured. The Germain UX RUM extension has been configured too. The next step is to just go to our website and verify that monitoring is working as expected. All right, we are at this test.salesforce.com. As you can see here, Germain UX user feedback feature has been enabled and has been injected on this page. That means this page has our extension correctly installed and real user monitoring is working for this website. That also means each time you hit that URL, our monitoring will start and this session is going to be recorded. Okay, these steps show you how to configure it quickly for just one browser, one session, and it can be done locally. If you go back to our documentation, you can also see steps how to configure it and deploy for many users. Please go there, scroll down, and actually this documentation describes how to configure Windows group policy that will allow you to deploy a Chrome extension to multiple users. In a nutshell, you have to just download Google policy template, copy 2 files to your Windows policy definitions, open the group policy editor, and inject configuration file that will allow our extension to be forced installed on multiple browsers. All right, thank you for listening.